Hi guys, today we're going to show you Dlink 16 port switch. You all know about the network switch. This is the latest model Dlink switch. As the box piece. Wait, I'm going to remove the cover. Okay, here it is. Now I'm going to take down the device from inside the box. Okay, here is the manual for the Dlink warranty and safety. It's a guide paper. I can see the adapter. It's a 2-pin adapter. Wait, I'm gonna show you the voltage settings here. So it's not showing properly. Hey, what happened? It's not showing. Yeah, that's it. You can see it here. Is the power pin. And it is the device here. You can see the device. Okay, wait. And here the screws to mount the device to the wall. Okay, here is the device. 16 ports. I mentioned switch 16. Here are the ports on the power sector. These can be mounted to the wall. The 5 volts 1 amp, the input power voltage. Thank you very much for watching this video. Hope you like it.